What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a brand new upgrade that a lot of you have been asking about. This is going to be the MICTUNING's Q1 Plus Max Pure White Rock Lights. And let me tell you, these things are on a whole different level from the typical rock lights you've seen before. So let's dive right in. So what makes these unique? Well, MICTUNING actually did their homework on this one. They went all in researching what buyers wanted most in rock lights, and the result is their new Q1 Plus Max design. It's cleaner, it's more modern, and it delivers performance that honestly stands out from the competition. One of the biggest problems with many rock lights on the market is that their white isn't really white. It's usually a mix of colors trying to imitate white. But the Q1 Plus Max series uses advanced LED tech to produce a truly solid, pure white color. There's no color blending, no weird bluish tint, just crisp, clean white light. And if you run a white setup, you're going to love this. Another huge factor is some of the features that really impressed me, like the curved surface design with 24 LEDs per pod, which pumps out 400 lumens each. And instead of the usual 90-degree beam angle you get with most rock lights, these push out a huge 160-degree ultra-wide angle. And what that means is you're going to get more coverage, a bigger illuminated area under your vehicle and behind your wheels, and a noticeably brighter output, which is perfect for off-roading, camping, or even just showing off that custom build. Now, one of the things about MICTUNING that I really love is that they're built to last. Durability wise, these things are tanks. They use a thick aviation grade aluminum housing, which helps with faster heat dissipation and stable performance. They're also rated IP68 waterproof and dustproof. And MICTUNING claims up to 50,000 hours of lifespan on these. Now, people have run these through deep snow, heavy rain, mud, off-road abuse, and have had no issues. So if toughness is important to you as well, these will check that box. One of the great things about the installation is it is a universal fit and easy mounting. So they work with most 12 volt and 24 volt 4-volt systems, so almost anything that you want to use these on. Cars, trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, golf carts, motorcycles, boats, RVs, you name it. And they're not just rock lights. You can use them for underglow, interior accent lighting, reverse lights, truck bed lighting, dome or deck lighting, yacht lighting, or even household setups. The installation is straightforward, and it comes with a dual-sided shock resistant pad that helps you in the mounting process. It's also a 2-wire setup, so you just have a red to positive and a black to negative, and then you can mount them wherever you want and you're good to go. Another thing, as most of you know if you've been around my channel for a while, MICTUNING's been a great supporter of the channel and allowed me to review their products for a few years now. And their customer support is bar none. They back these with lifetime customer support and promises a friendly response within 4 hours of reaching out to them. So if anything does come up, at least you know the company stands behind their product. Overall, the MICTUNING Q1 Plus Max White Rock Lights deliver clean looks, bright performance, and serious durability. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading your underglow or adding functionality and lighting for off-roading, these are absolutely worth considering. I'll drop the link below in the description if you want to check them out. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of lighting setup you're running on your ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.